To start QuickBooks certification, begin by understanding the benefits of becoming certified, which include increased job prospects and improved skills in using QuickBooks accounting software. The certification is offered by Intuit, the manufacturer of QuickBooks, and is available in various levels, including user, advisor, and expert. First, determine which certification level is right for you, based on your experience and job requirements. The user certification is for those who need to demonstrate basic knowledge of QuickBooks, while the advisor and expert certifications are for those who need to demonstrate advanced skills. Next, prepare for the certification exam by studying the exam objectives and content, which can be found on the Intuit website. You can also take online courses or attend training sessions to help you prepare. The QuickBooks certification exam covers topics such as setting up a company, managing finances, and generating reports. To register for the exam, go to the Intuit website and create an account. Then, select the certification exam you want to take and pay the exam fee. The exam fee varies depending on the level of certification and the location where you take the exam. On the day of the exam, arrive early and bring a valid form of identification. The exam is proctored and timed, and you will have a set amount of time to complete the exam questions. The exam questions are multiple choice and hands-on, and are designed to test your knowledge and skills in using QuickBooks. After passing the exam, you will receive a certificate and a digital badge that you can display on your resume and social media profiles. To maintain your certification, you will need to complete continuing education requirements and adhere to the Intuit certification program policies. Best practices for preparing for the QuickBooks certification exam include practicing with sample questions, reviewing the exam objectives and content, and taking online courses or attending training sessions. It is also important to have hands-on experience with QuickBooks, as the exam questions are designed to test your practical skills. By following these steps and best practices, you can become QuickBooks certified and demonstrate your expertise in using QuickBooks accounting software. This can help you to advance your career and increase your earning potential, and can also help you to provide better services to your clients or organization.